A few moments later.
What are we cooking, mate?
Eggs, sunny side up.
Cooking again, David. What's for? What?
No surprise here, buddy.
It's bacon again, is it?
Bacon and eggs.
Bloody hell! Oh, there we go. And there are the eggs. What's for breakfast, David?
Well, no surprise to anyone, but we've got bacon and eggs, mate.
Bacon and eggs, eh?
Yeah.
Classic.
Staple camping food.
How do you feel about that?
I love it. I love bacon and eggs.
And David, what's cooking now?
We have got some pork strips down there, buddy.
Let's take a look at them. Looking good, mate.
Yep.
帮台湾人去露营的时候，你要煮饭哦。What do you think about this campsite? Can you give us a quick synopsis?
Nice. It's very nice. It's tiered, so there's layers behind us that go back up the hill.
Yes.
And we have this beautiful view looking out over the hills of Nantou. Heavens opened up last night. It poured down, but it cleared. And then in the morning, around 7, there was a big rush of mist came flying up the channel of this valley here. It was quite cool to watch. And then
So poetic.
The skies opened up, and now it's nice and sunny. So
Any negative points about the campsite?
7-Eleven's not closer.
Yes, it's quite far away.
It's quite a treacherous drive in and out if it's wet, and you've got to be careful. But no, usually we come self-contained. It's just that we didn't bring enough beer, so we had to go back and get more of that.
So go.
But no, it's nice, lots of grass. There's a nice playground for the kids.
Yes.
Everyone seems happy. I just had an Easter hunt. The wives hid eggs around the campsite. It was good fun. Kids had to find them. A couple of competitive parents in the mix.
Would you describe it as child-friendly?
Yeah, very much so. Kids can't get out. We've been trying to get them out, and we can't get them out. So when you get to that level of safety, you just relax. It's gated completely around.
这个现在大概6点半早上，你应该可以听到这里下大雨。等我带你去看我们这里露营的一些那个设备，因为这个天气非常严重，这里有点乱，所以我不敢带你去里面参观，可能隔天再来参观一下。冰箱、热水器、厕所、洗澡的地方。都离那个就是离我们的这边不远。其实这个露营区的范围算比较小，但是又觉得很舒适，还不错。我们现在要开到全联补充一下，买一些东西，因为我昨天吃了很多喝了一些所以我们开到这里果信的全联。但是这个露营区它的地址这条路。弯弯曲曲的，所以开上来的时候也要特别注意安全，因为算是山路，所以要小心一点哦，避免发生事故哦，因为也是很多峡坡滑滑的，刚才下大雨，所以我们特别开慢一点。这是果信的全联。这里人很多，因为这个地方的露营区不少，因此呢，这个是最近的就是市场，可以来买东西，补充你的那些那个吃的喝的等等所以这里有很多那个 camping 的朋友。What do you think about this situation, Dave?
Well, it's pretty dire. We've got quite a few choices here. I don't know. I reckon we go with what's the nicest.
Taiwan, buddy.
A few moments later.
This would have to be the most calm I've ever seen at a campsite before. There's almost no wind at all. And when you do get a small gust, it's through the bamboo, so you feel like you're crouching tiger. It's very peaceful indeed. It's a nice place to come and just zen out.
Do you think Taiwan's good for camping, Dave?
Oh mate, yeah, for sure. We've got it sorted. We've got nice spaces. Running water, sinks behind you, electricity, flat surfaces. It's good.
It's good stuff.
Yeah, some really good campsites.
In your 18 years in Taiwan, any favorite camping spots you'd like to share with us?
I I'm quite partial to some of them in Leogway, but I do like some in Nantou as well. Then no two campsites are the same, so it's quite fun pulling into a new campsite and figuring out what they've got that you really like. How's their layout? And yeah, so far so good. We're at a new one here. I don't know how to pronounce the name of this one, but it's good.
It has here 黑糖芭比莲雾.
Tomato.
He thinks it's a tomato. What do you think about it, Dave?
Not bad.
What do you think about wax apples?
They're crunchy, moist, firm. Not bad.
Is it sweet?
It's not, yeah, sweeter than I was expecting. Not mango sweet, but it's not bad.
Yeah.
那我跟你换一下。